Hook 'em in the mouth. What's going on? It's your boy Charles, and we are back for another episode. All right, y'all, we back out on the saltwater. I got Hooker Master with me. Y'all know who Hooker Master is. It's the Hobie Kayak, and you got your Hook Master, Charles Kramer, letting you know we about to hook 'em in the mouth. I done been through all type of shit to get out here. Couple car crashes happened on the way out here, so it kind of delayed my time, but your boy is here and we gonna hook him in the mouth. I got my homeboy with me. Well, actually his ass was out here for about an hour while I was trying to get on the water, but we back out here at Kayak Emil. It's not a bad little spot. Check it out if you guys are out this way, and I guess let's hook something in the mouth. Holla at your boy. I got this man in shrimp with the new penny glow. Let's see if he works out. See some action going on right up in here. We might get hit on film. Uh-oh. Oh, mother sucker. We had one, boy. We had one. I bullshitted on the hooker. I bullshitted, y'all. I bullshitted. Yeah, one too, boy. Yeah, one. Get up in there and get something out. Get something out. You know how we do it. Come on now. I know you up in this area. Trying to catch up to Tron. He probably all the way down to the ocean by now, messing with my ass and this Jacksonville traffic. All right, we gonna hit up in this little creek. We gonna hit the mouth of it real quick with this little, see what happens. Oh shit, wind not like a motherfucker. Oh, that's not good, Joe. This is when you get a fish. When you're doing shit like this is when the big fish hits it. You all messed up and you gotta reel him in with a wind knot. Oh shit, the wind knot is treacherous on this one. Shit. Oh, can we get it? Is he the wind knot master, yo? Is he the wind knot master? Oh shit. Is he the wind knot master? Your boy's the wind knot master. You know how we do it when we get up out here. We haven't caught a fish yet, but I'm the wind knot master, buh. What you know about that? What you know about that? First good cast got wind knot like a mug. All right, let's see here. Now, let's see who's up in that mug. See who's up in there. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, y'all. See the mullet cruising. Almost felt like a body, yo. I was watching the mullet cruise. There's another little flowing creek, mouth, whatever someone call that shit. Get up in that shit right there. Oh shit, some bait over there. Come on now. Oh shit, when I said come on now, I got a bite. It felt like one of them little guys though. One of them pen fishermen. And I'm not a pen fisherman. A pen spin fisherman. Pen fisherman. Is that what it's called? Oh shit. I want something that when it pulls it, kind of pull my damn arm down a little bit. That's what I'm looking for. Until you boys hooked up. All right, y'all, we hooked up. Oh, we got us a little trout. He ain't a keeper. He definitely not a keeper. Come here, boy. Oh shit. You done fucked your whole mouth up, boy. You got this shit twisted around. There we go. You lucky I'm a pro, buddy. You see him. He just a little guy, and I hooked that ass in the one fang mouth. Holla at your boy. Hey, I just met up with my boy Tron. TL fishing. And we out here. So hopefully we get some more. Holla at your boys. Hook 'em in the mouth. We hooked up. I think we on a redfish, yo. He's fighting kind of hard. Yeah, we got one. I don't think he's a keeper though. Oh, that's why I like you. That's why I like you. That's why I like you. Get your goat smelling ass up in here, buh. Yeah, he ain't a keeper. We ain't even gonna waste time and measure his goat smelling ass. Get up out of there. Oh. Hook 'em in the mouth. You know what time it is. I ain't in the Asian squat, but I'm squatting with this fish, buh. You see, that's a nice little redfish. He ain't a keeper, but we gonna go ahead and let him go. Get on out of here, one dotter. And let's find that redfish again. Yo. Oh shit. Swimming gulp mullet, when they come back like that, you know some shit happened. So holla at your boy. We hooked up, we doubled up out this summer. The fuck I got? I got a nice sized trout that just came in like he wasn't shit. But you ain't keeper. You ain't keeper. But he ain't a keeper. He got a lot of spots. We got the wind coming and we hooking him in the mouth. Double up, baby. GoPro stop recording. Oh, I forgot. I got that cheap bullshit. They out here in the middle, huh? These seem to be a little bit bigger. Uh-oh, I just got thumped. There he goes again, thump. Hook him in the mouth. We got another one. We doubled. Oh, he's a nice one. Get your ass up in here, boy. You see me, you see how we get him flicking in this mug? Hooked him so good, he's drumming. For those that don't know, these are drum, y'all. Oh, you bit my finger, you asshole. He gave me a shot. Little son of a gun, I told you to hurry up. Gave you a needle shot for your slowness. Sucker. Well, get on out of here. Oh, you hooked? Boy, we bringing them in left and right, hooking them in the mouth. We done hit the school. Did we blow away from the school? You just got hit? They close then. Oh, oh hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about when you hear that drag screaming. Get him, boy. I think you might be. Heard that drag ripping. Trying over there with the hook up, boy. It's a redfish, isn't it? You ain't lying. You could tell that's a red. That motherfucker start pulling out drag like it wasn't shit. You smoked him with the smoke? Mm-hmm. Smoke it.
Perfect.
Hook him in the mouth.